Christmas is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to transform your home into a warm, festive haven. Decorating for the holidays doesn't have to be stressful. With a few creative ideas, you can make your space feel magical and inviting. Whether you prefer classic styles, modern touches, or a cozy rustic vibe, there's something for everyone in this guide to Christmas home decor. Start with your front door, the gateway to your holiday wonderland. A beautifully designed Christmas wreath sets the tone for what's inside. Choose one adorned with pine cones, berries, and a splash of red ribbon. Or go for a minimalist look with eucalyptus and white accents. Adding a string of fairy lights around the doorframe and makes your entrance shine. Moving indoors, let your living room become the heart of your Christmas decor. The Christmas tree is the star of the show, so decorate it with ornaments that suit your style. Classic, red, green, and gold work beautifully for a traditional look. White,